What is going on YouTube, it's Sankey and we are back with another one. Alright guys, so in this drop I'm coming at you with an update on one of our portfolio plays, giving you guys all the intel you need to know to continue winning with this play and our other portfolio plays moving forward. But before I get this show on the road, if you'd like to help out the channel by hitting that like button, and if you're new, join the movement by hitting that subscribe. So before we kick things off, let's talk about the markets. Now, it was a well-deserved green day for all of us after the string of red days we've had this week. And I know it couldn't have come at a better time for you guys, because I know this week has been testing for you mentally. So I hope this eases those nerves and shows you guys what is to come moving forward if you guys are able to stick to the strategy while we go through this market volatility. Now, I want you guys to picture this, a string of days like we've had today. You guys can imagine what conditions your portfolios will be in. And that time is coming. You guys know what you got to do right now in preparation for that, however. So, as I say, I'm just happy it was a green day out there in the field for all of us. Now, in this one, I've got a jam-packed one for you. I want to run through a couple of our portfolio plays, give you guys a strategy, the updates you need to know to continue crushing these plays moving forward. All right, guys, you know what time it is. Let's get ready for the play. So before we head over to today's main event, I want to touch on this one. That's VUZI, ticker symbol VUZI. That's been a while since we've had a strategy session on them, so let's get it in. Currently standing $22. This is a smart glasses manufacturer. We've been in them for a couple of months now. Still holding those 100 shares, return hovering around 20%. Because I'm holding through the volatility because I see good potential in this play moving forward. As I said to you, with VUZI, they pump out that PR week after week after week. There is good business momentum. It was only the other day they came out and said they partnered with Verizon now. The glasses are now compatible for their video conferencing software. Now, this is a similar move to when they came out and announced that their glasses are compatible with Microsoft Teams. So what you guys need to realize is this is a play with a solid product, and they're rubbing shoulders with giants in the corporate world. Microsoft, Verizon, Rio Tinto was the other week, several other companies in various different sectors, from healthcare to mining to tech. They're all over the place. So I'm liking the way they're moving. Now guys, I'll do my best to only put you guys in brilliance. And as you can see, with a play like this, making strategic business moves each and every week. So this is a play I want to bring to your attention for a couple of reasons. So check me out. As you can see, we know this is a volatile play. So first off, I just want to highlight the support on this one around that $20 mark. So as I say, we want to buy these plays near their support if they're holding firm. This is a play that's tested that support line twice, once around the end of March and again around the end of April. So support is holding up firm at that $20 mark. So entry on this one is $20 to $21. Now, if we're going to go through the next couple of trading sessions and they're positive, this one has the potential to move up to the mid-20s off the back of the PR that they've released this week. So I want to give you guys the early heads up on that. But most importantly, above all, guys, we need to play it defensive on this one, because this is what we call a richly valued play. And we know we're going through market turbulence right now. So I'm going to need you guys to set your stop limit below support on this one at $18 or $19, depending on your entry. All right, guys, so it's that time, the moment you've been waiting for. We've got Skillz, ticker symbol SKLZ. First up, that is sensational moves in our play today. It's been a real minute since I've seen a play move like that during this market turbulence. And it just shows you guys what I say, there's that detachment right now between how players are trading and the actual business. And this just showcases it to you firsthand. So shout out to those of you who've been holding firm in this play through the market volatility over the last couple of weeks, because I know it hasn't been easy. But what you guys got to remember is the reason why this one's been coming down is due to external factors, i.e. not relating to the business. And remember, as investors, we are very focused. We're all focused on how the business is actually performing. So it's been coming down for reasons such as short seller reports, general market sentiment around SPACs, that's negative sentiment that is, and even them releasing PR if they weren't supposed to. So all of that has been contributing to that slide downwards in that stock price. But as I say, I do my best to ensure I only put you guys on quality plays. And when it comes to SPAC plays, I always weed out the trash, because there's a lot of trash out there, but this is a strong play. That's why I say you want to stay invested in this one through the volatility. Now, got to remember, they have a product that is different, unique in the marketplace. Not only that, their financials are strong. Other companies are paying an arm and a leg to have the kind of margins and growth rates that Skillz have. So I'm gonna make sure you guys stay firm in this one through the volatility. Now, given the spike in the price today, over the next couple of trading sessions, I expect them to at least return some of those gains they've made today. However, the strategy remains the same. That's just to hold this one through and through. But use the movement in that stock price today to give you guys confidence in this play moving forward, because when this one is ready to move, they will move. Now, I'll talk to you guys about volatility because it's been a wild week in the market. Feels like being on a roller coaster the way the prices are moving. So I don't want any of you guys to be confused with the price action we've been seeing over this week and how we handle that. Volatility, guys, this is just how the stocks move relative to their average, and volatility spikes when there's an event coming up or if we're going through an event. So it could be presidential election, it could be Singles Day, it could be earnings season, which is what we're going through right now. And this is a contributing factor to the volatility that is playing out in the markets this week. So we know the big boys, the S&P 500 plays are going through earnings season, and given valuation concerns as well, this is making the stock market extremely volatile. So that's why you're seeing the kind of price actions we've been seeing over the last couple of days. But I want to let you guys know, when we have a green day like today, that's not an indication to start selling out the plays in your portfolio just because we've come off the back of a couple of red days. We are still going to see red days to come. We're going to see green days to come. But ultimately, if you guys have been rocking with our channel plays, you guys are invested into quality, and therefore they will come true once all the dust settles in the market. Now, I just want to show you guys play to play. Each play has a different level of volatility. So as I mentioned to you, Vuzi, let me just show you guys this. I've spoken to you about this before, but I'm going to tell you guys again. Under the key ratios, we've got the beta. The beta it's a measure of the volatility of the play. So, and it tracks the general market. So if the beta is 1, the play moves in relation to the market. The higher that beta is, the more volatile that play is. So here it's saying that Vuzi's got a beta of 2.4. Anything above 2, that's a high volatile play. So I've just switched over to Wells Fargo. You can see beta on Wells Fargo is a lot lower. It's only about 1.3 times. So play to play volatility differs. So before you guys are loading up on plays, check out the beta because it'll help you guys set expectations for these plays. Because some of these plays, I know you're in the green one day, you're in the red next day, and it's all to do with how volatile these plays are. So I just wanted to put you guys in a bit of game. So if you've been rocking with the channel, you know what time it is. Now this question comes from John Joe, says, I feel like I've been buying falling knives recently. What is the best technique for working out where support is? Is it candlestick patterns or something else? I feel learning this will be a big help to me. Huge thanks for all you do. So I appreciate the question, and I appreciate you even more, John Joe, for turning up every evening, coming to hang out with me, learn a little bit more about these markets and set yourself up for success. So let's dive into it. Now, to make sure you guys are crystal clear on the support and how we use it. It's just one of the many technical tools that we use in these markets. So the support, to keep it simple with you guys, is just the price that the stock struggles to fall below. So I'm just going to throw up Palantir, show you guys. You can see that Palantir's got support around that $22, $21 mark, and it hit $22 on the 7th of March. You can draw a horizontal line and you'll see clear support at that mark. Now, to take it one step further with you guys, the strength of the support is kind of indicated by how many times that stock has hit its support line and rebounded off. So the first time it hits that line, that's weak support. If it hits that line twice, that's moderate support. And if it hits that support line 3 times or more, that is strong support on the play. So with Palantir, you can see it hit on the 7th of March, then again on around the 23rd, again on the 28th of March, and then again on the 18th of April. So that's 4 times in just the last 3 months. So it's showing you guys there's strong support at that mark. Now, how we use this is, if there's strong support, then you guys want to buy close to support. That's why I say entry price on Palantir is that $21, $22 mark. Now, I'll let you guys know, if the support is weak, plays can break through support, and what often happens is they move down to their next support. That's why I say not every play that's dipped in the market is ready to be picked up. It all depends on timing and where they're trading. That's why I let you guys know. Now, if a play just breaks through support, as I say, you want to hold off until it either finds its next support or if it rebounds back up. So I just wanted to give you guys a crash course on supports. So that wraps things up. Now on your way out, do drop me down some comments below, and if you're new, join the movement by hitting the subscribe. Also check out a link down below to the Patreon, join our winning team over at the Discord. And as we progress through the next couple of days, you guys know I'm packing the heat to ensure you guys are able to navigate these markets with me. So I'll catch you in the next one.